This spectacular being is not of the past, but the future of humanity. To move humanity from hallucinations of ups and downs to nameless ecstasies of one's interiority. Mahadevaya Namaha, Mahadevaya Namaha, Mahadevaya Namaha. Yoga Yoga Yogeshwaraya, Bhuta Bhuta Bhuteshwaraya, Alakala Kaleshwaraya, Shiva Shiva Sarveshwaraya.